Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not opening in Google Chrome. ChatGPT not opening in Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you easy and simple steps to how to fix the problem. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is on. Not turn on your turn off your Wi-Fi for few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart the phone. Sometimes a simple reset can fix many problems. This helps remove files causing problems, and this helps small bugs and glitches. So refresh the page or restart the Chrome again. And the another step is turn off VPN proxy, or they also can block access. And the another step is app update. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Google Play Store or App Store, then search for the app, then tap on update option if it is available. So another step is check server status. Make sure sometimes the problem is not from your side, maybe server are down, or wait for a few seconds, then try it again. And the another step is disable browser access. And the another step is clear app cache. Go to your phone setting, select apps or app management, then go to app list or apps, then search for the app and go to storage and cache, click clear cache. This helps remove file causing problems. So the another step is disable browser extension, or especially ad blockers. So open the Google Chrome app on your phone or laptop or any PC, close all the tabs, then click on top right corner 3 dots, then click on it. After click on it, here you will see the many options like search engine, address bar, privacy, security and safe take, password autofill and others. Click on privacy and security. And after scrolling down, click on it. Here you will see the many options like read browsing data, privacy guide, third party cookies, aid privacy, and here you will see the aid privacy. Then click on aid topics. Here you will see the third party cookies. Click on third party cookies, and here you will see two options like allow third party cookies side, they rely on third party cookies will be okay, expected, then block third party cookies, then click on block third party cookies for they also, and disable on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.